Hi, good day. In this tutorial, I'll be teaching you how to use the folder feature. The folder feature can be used to categorize the list of features that you've already added to your app. Let's say you want to categorize the specific numbers of features on your app to a certain page. You can use the folder feature to put all those pages into a folder, and then when user click on it, it's going to display the list of available pages that is present in that folder. So let's get started. You can search for the feature here, or just click here, look around for the number of features that we have on our platform and look for the folder feature. So here's the folder feature. I'm going to click on it. And then I'm going to rename this to test app, and then I'm going to use this one as test app as well. I'm going to leave the settings like that, so subtitle I can add the best. So I'm going to show cover, show title. Yes, so I'm going to change this cover photo to something different, like, let me use this QR code. No, let me use this taxi. It's going to ask me to crop, and I'm going to do so. I said it. I'm going to crop this one to the size, and then you change this thumbnail as well. You can put, there's absolutely nothing wrong in using the same image, so you can put absolutely the same image like I just did. So here's the list of features that are present in my application, so that I can add into this folder. So I'm going to add this my account, I'm going to add this real-time chart, and I'm going to add this store, and I'm going to add catalog. So I've added about 3 features. I've added about 3 features to this particular folder. I'm going to change the icon to something different as well. So this desktop folder, I've added three good features in it. So let me add more, like push notification. See, push notification is already in the test app folder as well. So it is that simple. Then I'm going to click on save, and then I want to change the design. I don't like this one. I can just go for this. Then I can go to settings as well. Let me show you how it is now already before I use the card design. The card design is always beautiful when you are making your app. Always ensure it is on card design. You see how it looks on normal designs. So you can see that the test app folder here has this number of features and the categories. Can you see? That's really nice. You can see, right? So those features are already in this folder. So I want to use the card design. I want to put a search, and I want to use inline return. So I just basically select all the options here and then refresh. We see that there will be changes in the design. Oh god, dear me. See how nice the design is. So that is the power of the new designs that I just applied, the card design. So that is the power. That is how beautiful it looks. So then you've learned how to categorize your stuff into folder. If you want, you can remove them from the folder that you've put it by just clicking this remove button. If you click remove, it won't remove the actual feature. It will just remove it from this folder and take it back to the home folder. This is the home folder, and these are the list of features possible. Then this is the main folder that you just added and put this 4 apps, this 4 features in. If you delete all these features, they'll go back to the home. they won't be totally deleted from your app. Okay. So thank you for watching this tutorial. Please kindly subscribe to our channel and like this video. Have a nice day.